channel, boys. Finally we got our truck back. I got it back. I was so tired of the guy taking so long. I tell him, finish the bodywork, finish everything you need to do, and I'm gonna take it home. Because I was tired. I wanted my truck back. So that's what I did. So the truck is half disassembled yet, but the bodywork is done. So let me show you what he did. Let me give you a short walk around on what all we did. Fender was fixed. The pillar in there was also fixed. Everything, I hope you can see it. Everything was fixed. This whole part was rusted out. Whole thing was rusted out. You need to check out the other videos for that. Almost the full floor is new. All the trim he fixed. All the holes in the roof. I need to prime on the inside still. On the outside is already primed. And what else? Back here, cap corners also fixed. Rust around the light also fixed. The roof, no more holes. And that's about it. That's what took about 6 months. On the other side is a little less rust than this, but let me show you the best. Let me show you. Oh, he didn't prime this side yet. Okay, all new metal up down here. Fixed. Everything fixed. New metal. Cap corner on this side also. Fixed. I need to prime all this. Okay, that can be done. So stick around to the channel, boys, because we have a lot of work to do with this truck. Look at the mess. But we have everything. I'm gonna fix the whole interior up, make it nice again, fix the AC. The condenser was broken or leaking. The headliner is done. It's in another video that was done, so we have a nice headliner now. Maybe if I get the time, I will remove these sandies down and paint them. Same with the door panels, but that's not a priority right now. Now is to prime it, put everything back together, and get it back on the road. Because I'm expecting a baby, not me, but my wife is expecting a baby in about 2 to 3 weeks. So we need a car to drive safely in it. I'm getting the windshield frame ready, prime it and seal it with a sealer to take it to the windshield store tomorrow, so we can stick a new windshield in here. Alright, that's about it for this introduction. Maybe I'll take you guys tomorrow for a ride with no windshield on. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna take you guys for a ride with no windshield on to the windshield store. Good morning, boys. How you doing? I'm ready to take it to the windshield store. So I'm gonna get some fuel. Then I'm gonna meet up with my dad and meet up at the windshield store. He's carrying the windshield because not much room back here. Really messy and loud in here. Really loud with no windshield. Como se llama chiquito, ¿verdad? Esse é chiquito? Ah, não. ¿Te sirve? Sí. Se você tá de viu? We got ourselves a windshield. Okay, to the next step, to put in the truck back together. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on putting the truck back together. Take care and subscribe if you don't want to miss this.